Dear students, today we will understand about the tens and ones. To understand this topic, we are using some mastics and we will do the activity to understand tens and ones with this activity of mastics. Like students, you can see here I had made 3 boxes. One is for number and second is for tens and the third one is for ones. In any number of 2 digits you have tens and ones. Now see what we will do. Let's see. These are some mastics. We can use these mastics. Like, how many mastics you can see in my hand? This is only one mastic, so we will put it in the ones column. This is one mastic. When I will add one more mastic, it will become 2 mastics. Just like this, when I will add more mastics, it will increase like this. How many mastics are here? 3 mastics. Now add one more. This will be 4 mastics. Now add one more. That will be 5 mastics. Now this is 6 mastics. Now one added more. So now they are 7. One more added, it becomes 8. And one more, then it becomes 9. When we will add one more mastic, it will become 10. So now these 10 mastics, we can make these 10 mastics together like a bundle of 10 mastics. This will be the bundle of 10 matchsticks. Okay. Now I had tied these matchsticks together. So this is called 110. Now we will use this 110 in tens column. So how many mastics are here? 110. And you have seen how many ones are in this 110? 10 ones. So when here 10 ones becomes 1 tens. Just like this, if I will take one more 10, so we will put it in this column of tens. So how many tens you have? 2 tens. Okay. Now in ones column I will take 3 mastics. Okay. Now tell me how many ones are here now? How many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. And how many tens are here? 1, 2, 2 tens. So can you tell me which number is formed now? Yes, 2 tens means 10 plus 10, 20, and 20 plus 3 will be 23. So the number will be 23. Now here we will write number 23. So it means when we will present 23 in tens and ones form, it will be 2 tens and 3 ones. Now students, I had written this number 47 here. Now you will tell me how many tens and how many ones are there in this number 47. Can you tell me how many tens and how many ones are there in this 47? you can see this is the number 4 and this is the number 7. Now let's see how we can tell this in the form of tens and ones. Now you know this is the bundle of 10 matchsticks. So this is 110. 110 means how many matchsticks are here? 10. So these are 10. Now I will add one more 10 in this. So it will become 10 plus 10, 20. Now the next, if I will add 10 more sticks in this, so it will become 30. And when I will add one more 10, it will become 40. Now you want 47. So these are 40 sticks and we have to take 7 more sticks now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now can you see? These were 4 tens. 4 tens means 40 and these are ones. How many ones are here? 7 ones. So these are 7 matchsticks. This is 4 tens, 7 ones. 4 tens means 40 plus 7 will become 47. These are 47 matchsticks. Now you can easily tell me how many tens are here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 tens and how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So in 47, 4 tens and 7 ones are here. So when I will ask you how many tens and how many ones in 47, so you can say in 47 there are 4 tens and 7 ones. Very good. Now students, you can see I had written one more number here. The number is 39. Now you will tell me how many tens and how many ones are here in 39. So first we will see how many 10 we want. So first we will say 110 means 10 matchsticks. So these are 110. It means we can say 10. Now again we had taken one more 10. So these 10 plus 10 will become 20. And again this is one more 10. You can count 10 plus 10 is equals to 20 and 20 plus 1 will be 30. So now how many tens are here? 3 tens. And after 30, how many more matchsticks we want? 39. So 9 more matchsticks we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you can easily count and tell me how many tens and how many ones in 39. 39 has 3 tens and 9 ones. So this is tens column and this is ones column. Now tell me again how many tens are in 23. You can see here 1 and 2 tens are in 23. And how many ones are in 23? 3 ones. In 47, how many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 4 tens and 7 ones will become 47. Again, number 39. So how many tens and how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3 tens and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3 tens and 9 ones means 3 tens and 9 ones will become 39. So hope students you like this activity and you can do this type of activity at your home also to understand more about tens and ones. Thank you students.